Okay, welcome to the second video in the series. All we'll do here is reshape the dress, take some geometry away, and then we'll have something we can move forward with. So first of all, because I don't really want to do things twice, I want to turn symmetry on here, so if I do something on one side of the mesh, it will appear on the other side of the mesh as well. So you need to select the template, go to Modify, Mirroring, and then hit the symmetry toggle. Now when I go into poly mode here, you'll see that as I'm moving across, both sides are being selected, but when I actually select one, the other side doesn't appear to select. But if I move, you'll see that it duplicates the action on the other side. So first of all, what I want to make out of this is a much shorter sleeveless dress. So to do that, I want to delete these arms and then delete the lower part here. So I'll start with the arms, and I'm going to stay in polygon select and then select a loop of polys around here. So to do that, if you select one polygon, hit the shift key and then double click on the next polygon, it will select the ring, or in this case loop. Once I've done that and I want to select the next lines up, I don't have to do them manually. All you need to do is press the equals key. If you press the equals key, it expands the selection by one row. So I'm going to press it twice, and I've got both the whole arm selected. So once that's done, I'm just going to hit the delete key, and you'll see both arms very conveniently disappear. Now I'm going to do the same around here. So it's click, shift, double click, and then equals and delete. So there we go. So we have a moderately obscenely short skirt now, and I'm just going to hit the lines tool and double click on one of the lines around here to select the loop round, and then just move that down a little bit. Now that's changed the density of my mesh around there. It's much lower along this ring than it is up here, which is a similar length between there and there. So I'm going to go to poly mode, click, shift, double click to select the ring, and then press the X key to cut it in half. It's very handy, very quick, and has got my mesh back to a reasonable density there. So the last thing I want to do is do the same trick on these arms, because the arms are a little bit further out than I want them to be. So click, shift, double click, and X to cut them, and then click, shift, double click to select that loop, and delete to get rid of it. So that's got us from our template to a much more shaped and realistic, that's ridiculous, a shaped garment which I want to turn into something more useful. The next video we'll go through, we'll add some detail, we'll smooth it, and that's more or less it. Okay, I'll talk to you in the next video.